Hello everybody, I know how do you feel because your Bluetooth disappeared. This is the way to bring it back. As you can see, finally I did it. So if you want your Bluetooth to come back on your Windows 11, just you have to understand exactly which one is your motherboard. My motherboard is the Asus Prime H610, etc., etc. In the moment that you know exactly which one is the name of your motherboard, just you have to read it. There is written. In the moment that you know exactly the name, then you are going to the official website of your motherboard and you are downloading the driver for Windows 11 or Windows 10 is depending, and you have to download again the LAN, the LAN driver that is updated to the last date. You download it and you are going to reinstall again it. I show you. So when you have downloaded and then unzipped the file, you will find something like a setup.exe. You click on it and what you have to do is just to click on repair. This is going to fix and repair the corrupted file. As you can see, you can choose modify, repair or remove. Just click on the repair and then go next. This process will repair all the corrupted file of your Bluetooth, and the final result, as you can see, believe me, you will have your Bluetooth on again. Goodbye, subscribe, leave a like. Ciao ciao.